This is Hilton Park Services. The tower was closed back in the 1980s and has been derelict ever since. To access the tower, there is a door on the first floor lift lobby, which so far has always been locked. It's a fascinating 1970s building, and I'd love the chance to explore the tower. I came here to film something else, but today my luck is about to change. To film the top floor lift lobby is something, but surely the tower is locked off. Here is a floor plan which I painstakingly put together after I found nothing on the internet. To create it, I used the 21 windows on each side of the building as a point of reference to every wall inside the building using my video footage. It took me a whole week to complete. This can only mean one thing: access to the tower. This door is also unlocked. Not only was I able to film the whole tower, but also a fascinating old goods lift with a motor room above it, which was the size of a cupboard. Starting with a bit of history, after the intro, Hilton Park Tower is explored. Hilton Park Services opened in 1970. Top Rank originally designed both Hilton Park and Lancaster services. Top Rank were known for their elaborate architecture. Both these can be found on the M6 motorway in the UK, although they are 120 miles apart. Like Hilton Park, Lancaster Tower is also derelict, but you can see it by clicking the playlist above. Hilton Park is about 10 miles north of Birmingham. To get the tower plans approved, they had to significantly reduce the height of it, but it ended up not being tall enough to see over the trees, which masked the nice views to the west. Even so, the tower was still considered as unnecessarily high. The original proposal included tiered seating in the tower restaurant to offer everyone an optimal view of the area outside. But due to the height restriction, it wasn't a view of anything in particular. The tower had a very short lifespan. Just 1 year after it opened, the restaurant moved down from the tower to the ground floor, which was much quicker and easier to access. In the early 1980s, with rising maintenance costs and new fire regulations which it no longer complied with, and lack of trade to the tower, it closed to the public and has been derelict ever since. If this story sounds familiar, it's because Top Rank did it again on a much larger scale at Lancaster. Next time, we explore the rest of the tower. Then later, this completely original Otis goods lift with a motor room not much larger than a cupboard. I may have also found a way to get up into it, when this footage wasn't good enough for the Mr. Matt and Mr. Chay channel. A lot of time and effort goes into recording and editing these videos to make them as interesting as possible for you, my audience. Quality, not quantity, is our motto. If you've enjoyed watching, please consider subscribing to the Mr. Matt and Mr. Chay channel. Thank you very much for watching.